Here I have all the charts available in this sheet. Now I will add a slicer to dynamically change and analyze the data. Select any of the chart in order to add a slicer, then go to Pivot Chart Analyze tab and click on Insert Slicer. This pops up a window to show all the fields of our data. We need to select a field which we want to use to analyze our data. In this case, I am going to select Order Month field and hit OK. Now we got the slicer, let's adjust it to proper place and align it with charts. Here we see the order month in the heading. I want to modify it. For that, I will click on the slicer and go to Slicer tab and select Slicer Settings. Here I will modify the display header and type as Monthwise Analysis. If you want, you can uncheck this checkbox to hide the heading. I will keep it checked and hit OK. Now we have our slicer. All we need to do is to connect this slicer to all the charts, so that data in those charts change dynamically upon selection change of the slicer. To do that, click on Report Connection, which opens up the pop-up. And here in this pop-up, we will check all the checkboxes so that all the charts are connected with the slicer, and then hit OK. Now when you select any month, its corresponding data is changed and reflected in all the charts. Like when I click January, watch closely, data is changed in all the charts. Like here, for Jan month highest sales came from Arizona. Similarly, when I click on any other month, its corresponding data is changed, like for this month, highest sales came from New York. So now our dynamic and interactive dashboard is ready, which we made using Pivot Table and Pivot Chart. I hope you will find this video helpful. That's all in this video. Please make sure to subscribe to channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.